Hi, welcome to 3D Mechanical Design. Today I'll take a look at how to generate a simple basic motion study, gravity, and contact tools, of between board with guides and 3 balls. If you want you can download this model. Link in the description. We will showcase both, gravity, and contact between assembly components being used within an animation. The first thing I want to do is make sure I am in the basic motion study type. We may also need to adjust the properties of motion studies. I hit the motion study properties button, and fine-tune any of these properties as needed. I will increase the frames per second to 25. And I will also increase the geometry and contact resolutions. Next, I want to add gravity by clicking the gravity button. This opens my properties side panel, where I can find direction and value of the gravity. We will use the default gravity value and make sure that it will be in the right direction along the y-axis. Click to calculating. Now, I can see balls dropping due to gravity through my board. So, I also need to set up my contact components. To set up my contact components, I click the contact button, and select whichever contact components I would like. In this case, I would want to select 3 bowls, propellers, and the desk, as they will be coming in contact with each other. Now click to calculating my motion study. I have my balls dropping down the board as I would expect. Okay guys, today we take a look at how to generate a simple basic motion study. I hope you found this video useful. If you'd like to continue improving your SolidWorks skills and see more our video, please subscribe to more content like this in future. And now I will say have a good day, and goodbye.